Today I shall give you an important lesson on modifiers. Firstly, I shall tell you about modifiers. What is modifier? Modifier is a word or a group of words, even a phrase or a part of a clause of a larger sentence, which gives new information of subject and increases the charm of the sentence and makes the sentence meaningful. This is modifier. Next, I shall give you some ideas about apposition and intensifier. And if you can understand the position of apposition and the using of intensifier, you can very easily understand modifiers, the using of modifiers in the sentences. Now you see, number one, Samsung the handphone is a smartphone. In this sentence, you see there is a part. This is modifier. Next, before discussing this kind of discussion, I shall give you some ideas about apposition, intensifier and amplifiers and downtoners. Next to know apposition. Apposition is used as modifier in the sentence. What is modifier? You know, modifier is a noun phrase and modifies the same persons and same thing and give new informations of subject, especially noun and more especially pronoun. You see about apposition, and in this sentence you can see the apposition, the using of apposition. Next you see Samsung the handphone is a smartphone. In this sentence you see the handphone, noun phrase, and it is used after subject, that means noun, that means refers to proper noun. And this apposition gives new information about Samsung. What is Samsung? You see handsome. What is a smartphone? You see answer to the questions, and we can very easily find out the modifier, the handphone. Next you see Nelson Mandela, the president of South Africa, is no more on earth. Nelson Mandela, South Africa president, তিনি আর বেঁচে নাই. In this sentence we can find out modifier, and the president of South Africa is used as modifier according to the definition of apposition. You see the Nelson Mandela, even the president of South Africa, is the same person. And you see in the previous point, Samsung and handphone and smartphone is the same point, the same thing, the same person. The apposition includes or refers to the same thing and same person in the sentences. I say another point, intensifier. Intensifier works as modifier in the sentences. How intensifier is a modifier? You see the definition and function of intensifier. Intensifier is one kind of adverb which modifies adjective in the sentences. Modifying adjective, and even other parts of speech in the sentences with relevance to the meaning. Next you see, King Lear was really kind-hearted. Here you see underlined word really, adverb, and it is used before adjective or adjective phrase. According to the definition, intensifier is such an adverb which is used and which modifies adjective or adjective phrase. In this sense, really, what kind of parts of speech really? Adverb. And intensifies, we can see the intensity about the career of King Lear. Next you see, 2. He was very sympathetic. He was sympathetic. He was sympathetic, no doubt. Correct sentence. How? He was very sympathetic. Intensifies the intensity of his sympathize. You see, this underlined word is intensifier. And next, I can say there are some adverbs such as very, really, particularly, usually, exceptionally, extremely. These are adverbs, and these adverbs modifies adjective and equivalent adjective phrases. Next, intensifier. We can find out intensifier in 2 ways, such as amplifiers and downtoners. Why? You see, like mathematical term, magnification and diminution, যোজন and বিয়োজন, intensity, তীব্রতা, upwards and downwards, run-ups or upholding or downwards. You see, in intensifier, there are 2 kinds of intensifiers. One is amplifier, such as the old man looks very tired. The old man looks very tired. If we omit very, the old man looks tired. বৃদ্ধ মানুষটাকে দেখতে ক্লান্ত। কেমন ক্লান্ত? Very tired. You see, here we can see the intensity of his tiredness. তার ক্লান্তির তীব্রতা দেখতে পাই। Runs up. It is upholding. If the intensity of his tiredness, তীব্রতা, if the intensity of his tiredness increases, develops or runs up or upholds, it is called amplifier because it runs up. Next, you see another point, downtoners. Intensity just naturally comes down. Just intensity naturally go downs. You see, my friends rarely help me. My friends namely help me. আমার বন্ধুরা আমাকে নামে মাত্র সাহায্য করে, কদাচিৎ। In this way, my friends rarely, adverb. You see, verb. Adverb modifies verb also. And first, you should always remember, grammar is logical and scientific. No mistake is granted in grammar. Next, remember the point. And you see, downtoners and amplifiers. How can you understand intensifier? You see, such as here, the old man looks very tired. বৃদ্ধ মানুষটাকে দেখতে ক্লান্ত। তীব্রতা, emphasis on verb. If the intensity runs up and upholds, develops, it is called amplifiers. And the intensity naturally goes down, it is downwards. Namely, my friends rarely help me. যার বাংলা অর্থ হচ্ছে যে আমার বন্ধুরা আমাকে নামে মাত্র সাহায্য করে, জাস্ট a help, namely the help. In this sense, it is downtoners. Next, you see how may be the question paper. I shall make a question paper. Now you mark here and wait. I was the left side. I am making question paper here. You follow. And you see number 1 questions, number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, 6. There are 6 sentences, and every sentence contains grammatical term, and in every sentence there is modifier, and find out modifier. You see, I make the question paper. You see, here use an apposition in this sentence. In this vacant place, in this gap, the question wants use apposition. In this gap, in this vacant place, you should use apposition. Apposition, what is apposition? Apposition is a noun phrase which refers to the same thing and same person. Same thing. Thing ta ki? Samsung is a thing. What kind of thing? This Samsung and this term should be the same thing. Same thing. Just a minute ago, there was written the handphone. You should use here the handphone. Next, the question. You should use apposition in this vacant place. Nelson Mandela. Who is Nelson Mandela? Ask and give the information. Asking the information and give the information. Asking the question about information and reply. Nelson Mandela, the president. The president is here modifier. Next, another point. You see, here is the question. Use here an intensifier. Intensifier এখানে ব্যবহার করতে হবে. What is intensifier? Intensifier is such an adverb or an adverb which is used or which modifies adjective, such as adjective. You see, question paper. In this gap, in this vacant place, you should use intensifier. He was very sympathetic. King Lear was really kind-hearted. Another questions. You see, here use intensifier, or there may arise the question amplifier. Amplifier under the portion of intensifier. So the old man looks very tired. This is amplifier, or it is one kind of intensifier. My friend rarely helps me. Rarely. These are the questions, and answer to the questions according to the asking questions. So If you have some ideas about apposition, intensifier or amplifiers, you can very easily understand the using of modifiers in the sentence. In the next class, I shall teach you on pre-modifiers and post-modifiers. And if you can understand my class today, in the next class, you should very easily understand pre-modifiers and post-modifiers. And next, I shall give you some suggestions, my written suggestions to your college page online classes. You should open your mobile and you should find out some suggestions, especially on paragraphs and compositions. Today or tomorrow I shall send by mobile phone into our college online page. Thanks. Goodbye.